Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dears. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? Thank you,
I'm
ma'am.
fine, thank you. What about you all?
Yeah, fine, thank
All
you.
are fine. Yes, okay. Um so, what I'm planning to do today is I'm going to explain one digit question once again, and then I'm going to give some questions. I'm going to show a worksheet on the board, and you have to do in your rough book. Okay? Are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes. So first, I will just explain one digit quotient once again. After that, I will be giving some problems. I mean, a worksheet is there. I will show you the worksheet, and I will mute everybody, and the person to whom I will ask has to explain each and every step clearly. So when I will explain once again now, you have to listen to me carefully.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
Okay. So shall we start now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So don't open your book. Keep your book close, all of you. Keep your pencil also there. Fold your hands. Stop all other activities and listen here. Okay. So I'm going to share the board now. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning. Okay. So don't write anything. This is not for writing. Just for listening. Okay. So we are going to divide children. Will you please mute Aditi, Arun, John? Joachim, John. Yes. Okay. 45 divided by 2 is equal to dash. Okay, this is a 2 digit. Okay. 45, this is a 2 digit quotient. Okay. 45 divided by 2. So what is the first step to be done? You have to check whether the dividend is greater or smaller than the divisor. If it is smaller, then you have to directly put a 0 and you have to take both the numbers together. In this case, 4 is bigger than 2, isn't it? 4 is greater than 2. If it is greater than 2, the thing you have to check is the dividend is greater than the divisor. The next step is to check whether that particular number is there in the table of divisor or not. Check whether 4 is there in the table of 2. If you are not thorough with the table, you can write the full table over here. I am writing only the products over here. 2, 4, 6. Yes?
2 twos are 4.
Yes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I just wrote it over there. 4. The first number is 4. Check whether 4 is there in the table or not. 4 is there. Isn't
Yes.
it? Product is there. So 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So this middle number will go as the quotient up. This answer, good morning, this product will come down over here. Then subtract it. 4 minus 4 is 0.
0.
One number is left over there up. Bring that number down. Put an arrow down, downward arrow, and bring it down. 4. Now, this is a new dividend you got. Check whether 5 is greater than the divisor 2 or not. It is greater. If it is smaller, what you have to do is you have to stop there. Then that number will become the remainder. Now here, 5 is greater than 2. That means you have to find out an answer over there up. 5 is greater than 2. Now, the next step is to check whether 5 is there in the table or not. 5 is not there in the table, isn't it? Already the products are written over there. If the products are not written, you have to write the table. Now, since it is already written, check in between which two numbers that 5 lies. 5 lies in between 4 and 6. Yes. You cannot take 6 because 6 is bigger than 5. If you will write the bigger number down of the smaller one, you will not be able to subtract. So 6 cannot be taken. So which number has to be taken? 4 has to be taken. And again, 2 into 2 is 4. This middle number will go up here. 2. This number product will come down. Again subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now check whether 1 is greater than 2 or not. Now 1 is smaller. The dividend is smaller. No other number is there to bring down. So nothing can be done. Stop there. This will become the remainder. And this will be the quotient. The quotient has to be written as the answer. Okay. One more. Then I am going to show you the work.
1 digit quotient.
2 digit. 1 digit quotient is easy. If you know the 2 digit quotient, do you want me to explain 1 digit quotient?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I ask you a question?
What happened?
Ma'am, if the dividend is smaller, we have to put 0 on top of.
Yes. See, 36 divided by 5. 36 divided by 5. The first thing you have to check whether the dividend is greater than the divisor or not. Here, 3 is lesser than divisor 5, isn't it? So, directly you have to put a 0 over there. Okay. Now take two numbers together. Next, your duty is to check whether 36 is there in the table of 5 or not. If you are not thorough with the table, write the full table over here. 10, I am writing only the products. 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40.
36 is not there.
Yes, 36 is not there. You got a bigger number. So stop there. That means 36 is not there in the table. Now check 36 lies in between which two numbers?
35
It lies between 35 and 40. Now 40 cannot be taken because it is bigger than 36. So 35 is to be taken.
35.
Now
3 into 7 is equal to 30.
yes, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 3s are 15, 4s are 20, 5s are 25, 6 are 30, 7s are 35. So 5 into 7 is equal to 35. This middle number will go up here. The answer product will come down. Then you have to subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now check whether the new dividend is bigger than 5 or not. Now the dividend is lesser than 5.
5.
In the first case also dividend was lesser, but another number was also there. So we took it together, then it became bigger. Now no other number is there to take down, isn't it? So only one is there and one is lesser than 5. So nothing can be done over there. You have to stop. This will become the remainder and 7 will be the answer.
1 digit question.
Okay. Shall I show you the worksheet?
Yes, ma'am. Of course.
If you don't know the table, write the table on the side. Okay? Then do.
Okay. I don't have
What happened? What is that, Azim? You don't have?
My mother's house forgot take
What?
workbook.
Not workbook, rough book. Take a rough book. If you don't have the rough book, also take a paper from somewhere. Okay, then I'm going to share the board, share the worksheet.
Okay. Ma'am, if we finish, we can press a hand.
Yeah, yes. Hmm. Oh, 1 second. This is the worksheet. I will tell you how many questions has to be done. Is the worksheet clear? Can you see the numbers clearly?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Of course.
No.
Ma'am, how many questions we need to do?
I will tell you. The easiest table, one has to be done. I am putting a tick mark over there, which is to be done now. Do one. Ninth table is easy. If you will write it, it will be easy, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Two. Don't do this one. Seventh table, afterwards you can do. 7, I am not giving any 7. 8. Okay. First, third, fourth, fifth, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 problems. This also. 98 divided by 5, 58 divided by 9, 38 divided by 4, 68 divided by 2, and 57 divided by 4. 2 4 stable, 1 2 stable, 1 5, and 1 9.
The first one is 98 divided by 5.
Yes. If you are not thorough with the table of 4, 9, 2, whichever table you are not thorough, you can write it over there on the side. After finishing your work, you can click on that raise hand button.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Ryan.
Ma'am, in the 98 divided by 5.
2-digit quotient.
Yes, that's not my
Okay.
doubt.
Okay. Then?
Ma'am, these questions are divided. 5 stable, 9 didn't have. We want to write 8.
No, check the product. If 9 is not there, in between two numbers, 9 will be lying between two numbers, isn't it?
Yes.
You cannot write the bigger one, so you have to take the upper one.
We want to take full 98.
No, 1 digit. See?
Ma'am, the question is divide the following.
Yes. Find the quotient and remainder. See, children? I'm going to do that first one now. All of you look here.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. First one I will do here.
9 and 5.
Yes. 98 divided by 5. First thing, you have to check whether 9 is there in the table. 9 is bigger than 5 or not. 9 is bigger than 5. That means you should not put a 0. a non-zero and quotient will come over there. Second thing, you have to check 9 is greater than 5. Now the second thing you have to check is whether 9 is there in the table of 5 or not. 9 is not there in the table of 5. Then you have to check in between which two numbers it lies. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now you got a number bigger than 10, bigger than 9. 9 lies in between these two numbers. 10 cannot be taken because it is bigger. So you have to take 5. Now 5 into 1 is 5. So this middle number will go up. 5 will be here down. Then subtract it. 9 minus 5. 9. 5 close. 4. 4 is smaller than 5. Take the next number down. 48. Now 48 is bigger than 5. So you have to find out an answer. Check whether 48 is there in the table or not. 48 is not there. For checking it, if you are not thorough with the table, write all the products. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. You got a bigger number. That means 48 is not there. Now 48 lies in between these two numbers. You cannot take 50, 50 is bigger. So take 45. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 nines are is 45. So middle number will go up. The product will come down here. Subtract it. 8 minus 5. 3. 4 minus 4, 0. So now 3 is lesser than 5. No other number to take down. So it will be the remainder. Now you have to stop there. Okay. So the first one is done on the board. You have to do the other problems.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Now do the seventh one also because one question became less for you. Okay, Ryan?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
second, fourth, fifth, and 6, not 6, 7 is to be done. Not this.
Okay, ma'am.
Joachim, did you get how it is done? You were absent for many days, right? Joachim, are you there?
I understood.
Understood. Okay, dear. You were absent for many days, no? That's why I asked. How is your baby? Sister, no? Younger one, your baby? Sister or brother?
Good.
Girl baby. How is your younger sister? Fine?
Fine.
Fine. The Muhammad Ilham, take your rough book. Some questions are there on the board. Arav, finished? Oh, good. Ashwell, Sarah finished? Sarah has finished. Santino, over? No. Okay, it is 30. We will start discussing. Let me start with Advait.
Yes, ma'am.
Advait, second question. 58 divided by 9. What is the first step to be done?
You want to compare?
Yes, you have to compare 5 and 9. 5 is smaller than 9, isn't it? So what is to be done? What did you do?
Compare two digits.
Okay, compared 5 and 9, you got 5 lesser than 9. Then
Compare.
okay, it is already compared. 5 is lesser, the dividend is lesser than divisor. Then what is to be done? The next thing to be done.
Quotient. 0.
Ah, yes. Why are you taking this much time, my dear? Say fast. You know the thing how to do, right? Okay, you have to put a 0 on 5, then you have to take two numbers together.
Yes.
Now next step, whether 58 is there in the table or not of 9.
No.
No. So just say the products. 9.
9, 18, 27,
Yes.
36,
36, 45,
54,
54, 63. Now you got a number bigger than 58. 58 is not there in the table and you got a number bigger than 58. So, in between which two numbers 58 lies?
54.
In between 54 and 63. So, which number is to be taken from here?
54.
54 is to be taken. Now, next step is to check 9 into what is 54?
6.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, this middle number, where it will go, Advait?
Quotient.
As the quotient. It will go as the quotient on 8 and the product will come down below the dividend. Then you have to subtract. 8 minus 4 is?
8 minus 4 is equal to 4.
8 minus 4 is 4. 5 minus 5 is?
0.
0. So, now 4, compare the new dividend 4 and 9. Whether 4 is greater or smaller than 9?
Smaller than 9.
Smaller than 9. So, what can be done? Anything can be done over there?
No.
So, it will become the
Remainder.
remainder. 4 will be the remainder. And 6 will be the quotient. Okay. Good, Advait. Okay, now we will move to question number 4. Question number 4 to Rishikesh. Question number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one. 38 divided by 4.
38 divided by 4.
Yes.
Compare.
Compare 3 and 4. Whether the dividend
4 is greater than
4
3.
is greater. Dividend is smaller. If the dividend is smaller, what is to be done?
Up is 0.
Put a 0 on the top of that 3 and take two numbers together. The next step to find out whether 38 is there in the table of 4 or not.
Yes. 1 into 4, 4.
Yes.
Into 4, 8.
Yes.
12. 16.
Yes.
20. 24.
Yes.
28. 32. 36.
Yes.
And we take 36.
Yes. 40. You got a number greater than 38. 38 is in between 36 and 40. 40 cannot be taken, it is bigger. So we have to take 36. Now the next thing you have to find out 4 into what is 36. So just count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 into 9 is 36. That 9 will go up as quotient and the product 36 will be down below the
38.
below the dividend 38. Now you have to subtract it.
Ma'am, 3 minus 3 is 0.
You have to start from the ones place, right? 8 minus 6.
8 minus 6, 2.
2. 3 minus 3 is 0. Whether anything else can be done? Whether any number is there to bring down?
No.
No. So 2 is smaller than 4. So the remainder is
2.
2. Nothing can be done. You have to stop there. 2 will be the remainder. 9 will become the quotient. Good. Good. Now next. Janita, shall we do the fifth one? Ready?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. 68 divided by 2.
First we compare
Yes. Which numbers?
6 and 2.
Yes, 6 and 2. 6 is greater than 2, isn't it? The dividend is greater. So, the next step to check whether 6 is there in the table or not.
Yes.
It is there. So, just we will write the products. If you want, you can write the products. 3, 4, 6. You got 6 there. So, you have to take this number, isn't it? Now, the next step is to check 2 into what is 6. 2 into what is 6, Janita?
3.
2 into 3 is 6. So, this 3 will go up as the quotient and 6 will be here down, subtracted. Now, what is to be done? 6 minus 6 is? Please let Janita say 6 minus 6 is 0. Then, next. 8, yes, 8 has to be brought down. Now, 8 is bigger than 2, isn't it? Now check whether 8 is there in the table or not. Already 2, 4, 6 is written. Now next.
No.
It is not there. Don't look here and there. I am moving to other person. Please parents, let the child say. When the question will be asked, please move from there. Let them, make them free to say the answer, whether it is wrong or right. Santino.
Yes, ma'am.
2, 4, 6. Then?
8.
8. So the new dividend is 8. Now check whether 8 is there in the table or not. It is there, right?
Yes.
So 2 into what is 8?
2 into 4.
2 into 4 is 8. So this number is there in the table. So this number has to be, which number will go up as the quotient?
4.
4. This middle number 4 will go as the quotient and the product will be here down. Then you have to subtract.
8 minus 8 is 0.
Yes. So no other number to take down. So 0 is lesser than 2 also. So what will be the remainder?
0.
0 will be the remainder. We have to stop here. 0 will be the remainder and what will be the, which number is the quotient?
34.
34. Good. Now next one. Okay, Sarah. Yesterday she was getting confused. Now let her say the answer for 7th one. 57 divided by 4.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to compare 5 and 4.
Yes, the first dividend, the first digit of the dividend and the divisor is to be compared. 5 is greater, right?
Yes.
Yes. So, next step.
We want to write the table of
4. Check.
4.
Yes.
4 into 1 is equal to 4.
Yes.
8.
So, you got a number greater than 5, isn't it?
Yes.
5 is in between
4 and 8.
4 and 8. So, which number is to be taken?
4.
4 is to be taken because 8 is bigger. So, 4 is to be taken. That 4 is the product, so it will come down. What will go as the quotient?
1.
1. Now, the next step is to check 4 into what is 4? 4 into 1 is 4. So, this middle number will go up. Then subtract it. 5 minus 4?
1.
1. Now?
7. We want to put one arrow down.
Yes, downward arrow and take that 7 down. 17. Now 17 is greater than 4. So we have to find out the answer. Isn't it? Non-zero number will be the answer.
17 is greater than 4.
Okay.
We want to
We have to check whether 17 is there in the table or not. For that, if you are not thorough with the table, we can write the tables on the side. 4, 8, then
4, 21.
4 3s are?
4 3s are 21.
No.
12.
4 3s are 12. Then
4 4. 4 4s are 80.
no. Sarah?
Ma'am, 16.
Yes. 4 5s are?
20.
20. You got a number greater than 17, so you have to stop there. 17 is between?
16 and 20.
17 is in between 16 and 20. So, which number is 16 has to be taken because 20 is greater. Now, the next step is to check 4 into what is 16. So, just count here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 into 4 is equal to 16.
Yes. So, this middle number will, 4 will move up
on the 4.
Yes. As the quotient. Now, 16 will be here down. Then?
We want to subtract.
Yes. 7
minus 6 is equal to 1.
Yes.
1 minus 1 is equal to 0.
Yes. So, now 1 is lesser than 4, isn't it?
Yes.
You got a new dividend, but it is lesser than 4. No other number is there for taking down. So, what is to be done there?
We want to write quotient.
We have to stop there, right?
Yes.
So, 1 will be the?
1 will be the remainder.
Yes, 1 will be the remainder. 14 will be the quotient. Okay, good, Sarah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dears. So, the time is also up. Now, today I will be giving 5 homeworks. Tomorrow is a holiday for you, and you have to practice division properly. Okay, children, I will be taking a class test on Monday. Okay, children, class test of division.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so meet you on Monday. Thank you, dears. Thank you.
Take care. Thank you, ma'am.